Discuss the transition from the phlogiston theory to the oxygen theory of combustion and its impact on chemistry. Answer. From phlogiston to oxygen theory 1. Introduction to phlogiston theory. In the 17th century, scientists believed that combustible substances contained a material called phlogiston, released during burning. लोग समझते थे कि हर जलने वाली चीज में एक नजर न आने वाला मद्दा होता है, phlogiston. 2. Limitations of phlogiston theory. The theory could not explain why some substances, like metals, gained weight after burning instead of losing it. थियरी ये नहीं समझा पाए कि मेटल्स जलकर भारी क्यों हो जाते हैं. 3. Discovery of oxygen. Antoine Lavoisier performed experiments and found that combustion requires a gas, oxygen, from the air, not the release of phlogiston. Lavoisier ने साबित किया कि जलन के लिए ऑक्सीजन चाहिए, phlogiston नहीं. 4. Impact on chemistry. Introduced the law of conservation of mass. Led to modern understanding of chemical reactions. Marked the beginning of modern chemistry. ये नई सोच और केमिकल रिएक्शंस के समझने का आगाज था. क्वेश्चन 2. Explain the development of atomic models from the plum pudding model to the quantum mechanical model. Answer. Development of atomic models. 1. Plum pudding model, J.J. Thomson, 1904. The atom was seen as a positively charged sphere with negatively charged electrons scattered like plums in a pudding. एटम एक पॉजिटिव गोला था जिसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बिखरे हुए थे. 2. Rutherford's nuclear model 1911. After his gold foil experiment, Rutherford proposed that atoms have a dense, positive nucleus with electrons revolving around it. Rutherford ने बताया कि एटम का सेंटर पॉजिटिव न्यूक्लियस है. 3. Bohr's model 1913. Niels Bohr suggested that electrons move in specific orbits around the nucleus and only jump between orbits by absorbing or emitting energy. Bohr के मुताबिक इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फिक्स्ड रास्टन पे घूमते हैं. 4. Quantum mechanical model modern view. This model, based on the work of Schrödinger and Heisenberg, shows electrons existing in areas called orbitals, not fixed paths. Modern theory कहता है कि electrons clouds या orbitals में होते हैं. Question 3. Analyze how the periodic table serves as a paradigm in chemistry guiding research and discovery of new elements. Answer. Periodic table, the guide for chemistry 1. Arrangement by atomic number. Elements are organized in increasing atomic number, helping reveal repeating patterns in properties. Elements को उनके atomic number के मुताबिक तरतीब दिया गया है. 2. Prediction of new elements. Scientists predicted new elements and their properties by observing gaps, as Mendeleev did for elements like gallium. टेबल ने नए एलिमेंट्स का पहले से अंदाजा लगाने में मदद की. 3. Understanding chemical properties. Trends such as metallic character, reactivity, and atomic size can easily be studied. Chemical properties को समझना आसान बना दिया. 4. Advancement in synthetic chemistry. Today, new synthetic elements like organosin element 118 have been created using periodic trends. Periodic table की मदद से नए एलिमेंट्स बनाए गए हैं. Question 4. Evaluate the importance of repeatability and reproducibility in maintaining scientific integrity and progress. Answer. Importance of repeatability and reproducibility. 8. What is repeatability? Same experiment done by the same scientist under the same conditions producing the same results. एक साइंटिस्ट का अपना एक्सपेरिमेंट दोबारा करके वही रिजल्ट पाना. 2. What is reproducibility? Different scientists performing the same experiment and achieving the same results independently. अलग साइंटिस्ट्स का सेम एक्सपेरिमेंट करके सेम नतीजा लेना. 3. Importance for scientific integrity. Repeatable results prove that findings are reliable and not accidental. साइंस पर भरोसा तभी होता है जब रिजल्ट्स बार-बार सेम आए. 4. Importance for scientific progress. Future research relies on confirmed and trustworthy experiments to build new theories and innovations. नई रिसर्च और डिस्कवरीज की बुनियाद रिलायबल एक्सपेरिमेंट्स पर होती है. Question 5. Describe how levels of confidence and uncertainty are expressed and interpreted in scientific research, providing examples from chemistry experiments. Answer. Confidence and uncertainty in experiments. 1. What is confidence level? The degree to which we believe our experimental results are correct, usually expressed as a percentage, like 95%. कितनी श्योरिटी के साथ हम कहते हैं कि रिजल्ट ठीक है? 2. What is uncertainty? The amount by which a measured value may vary. It indicates possible errors in measurements. Measurement में कितनी गलती आ सकती है? 3. Expressing uncertainty. Using जोड़ या घटाव values, error margins, or standard deviation to show how much measurements might differ. रिजल्ट के साथ uncertainty जरूर मेंशन करते हैं. 4. Example in chemistry. A measured boiling point of water could be written as 100.0 degrees Celsius जोड़ या घटाव 0.2 degrees Celsius, meaning the real value lies between 99.8 degrees Celsius and 100.2 degrees Celsius. हर measured value के साथ छोटी सी uncertainty होती है.